All right, y'all, I got another fishing reel unboxing video. This one's different from the last in that this is actually an old vintage Shimano reel. I think it's about 45 years old, and I seen it on eBay, and I just wanted to get one. I used to have one when I was a kid. My dad gave me one, so just wanted to get another one. Let's check it out. All right. So it actually still has the box to it also, which is, I mean, it's considering its age, the box is still in pretty good shape. But that's not really why I bought the reel. I bought the reel because the guy that sold it said that this was a new and unused reel. Um, I'm not sure about that. This reel's so old. I guess it could be sitting in this box for 45 years and never been used, but I'm not expecting the condition to be perfect on it. I mean, it'd be nice if it was, but it's so old and who knows. But let's open it up and see what it looks like. All right. It says a quarter turn pickup. Wow, this reel here looks like it's almost in perfect condition, which I was not expecting. So this is a Shimano Bantam 100. I believe that this was, well, at least this series was the first reels that Shimano made under their own name brand. I believe that they made the speed spool for Lew's originally, and then they ended up going into the market under their own name, Shimano, and this was the first reel they came out with. I think these reels are so cool looking. They have this rosewood knobs on them, and I can't believe the condition. I was expecting this reel to not look this good, but there's not a mark on it. So I guess it really is new and unused. I'll let you take a couple little different angles at it. And it still works perfect. I really was not expecting the condition to be this good. Everything still works on it. Check the drag. Yep. I'm not gonna mess with the drag right now, but the drag star turns fine. I'm not gonna mess with the tension knob either. So I think this reel is about 45 years old. I think I read that they started making them in 1974. So, I mean, this one might not be one of the first ones they made, but I think this reel's pretty old. Maybe one of you guys can tell me how old it is. Somebody that knows more about it than me. But yeah, I'm actually really happy to get this reel. So, that's about it. Hey y'all, I forgot to show y'all what was in the box. That Bantam 100 box. Looks like it comes with a couple wrenches for the handle nut. Has some brakes, some brakes in there that go on the spool. Okay, so this metal piece is, I believe that goes inside the tension knob cap. and that little metal piece I think holds it in there, maybe. And on this one it's the same thing. This one has a couple screws in it. I haven't looked at the reel really to see. Okay, they look like they probably go on the cranking handle side plate. So it comes with two of these little things. They got the same stuff in both one. And then the box also had the like a limited warranty card for the reel. See, well, that's where you warranty registration card, and that's it. So that's what was in the box, y'all.